professionals in heckling, so I was being careful. You know, Mr. Speaker,
You are doing so well. I can see also
what is happening in the country, Mr. Speaker. You know, when heckling happens in the house, I'm worried. You know, he's my senior in the profession. So we might talk to LSK to reconsider some of these things that they do. Mr. Speaker, we cannot lie for the political convenience and political capital that we have slashed monies to counties. In fact, I want to challenge the Senate because the chair of PIC and a member of PIC is seated in front of me. I want to see the same energy that you are demanding resources go to counties. We demand the accountability. I know PIC and PAC are morticians. We only come in at the tail end, Mr. Speaker. When we are like morticians, Mr. Speaker, we just give post-mortem report. The PIC and PAC, there is nothing much we can do. But in this report, Mr. Speaker, it can be used to give direction on what it can be done, Mr. Speaker, by the Committee of Devolution. And the Committee of Devolution can assist us by demanding some of these issues, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, finally, on the issue of issuing the issue of commercial industrial towns, I think the county government and your governor should agree on how they can award municipal towns, municipal centers, Mr. Speaker. Also, I want to challenge the great people of Katwana because through Senator Mo Fire, challenge people of Tarakaniti, businessmen and women in Nairobi who have interest, but they come from Tarakaniti. Go back and develop Katwana. The charity begins at home. You start at Jerusalem. I know of big businesses who come from Tarakaniti. Go back and invest at home. You know, those are things no one will tell you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we also challenge the neighbors like you, Senator Katuri Murungi, the Deputy Speaker, to even build something in Katwana. That's how they can develop. Because the report says there is no houses to live. So I don't know what people live in Katwana, but I want to believe they live in houses. It is also the people of Katwana and people of Tharaka, Mr. Speaker, to invest in Tharaka and in Katwana specifically, so that businesses can go there. We will not legislate on such, Mr. Speaker, sir. It is to implore on them to go back and develop their town, Mr. Speaker, but to urge other government agencies, finally, Mr. Speaker. The government